We definitely put the art show together in behalf of Wolf. Wolf and I actually sat down and decided to put an art show together. And I actually seen him a few days prior to his passing. And everything seemed cool. You know, he was ready, he was really excited. And hopefully people had a good time. And hopefully it's a good way to remember him. It was definitely great that all different artists were able to come out and show their work. And, all the different work that came out, we had everything from sculptures to painting. Wonderful graffiti artists now gonna be permanent in the gym, well, at least as long as I work here. So definitely thanks to all the people who came out. Thanks for wonderful artists, and let's do it again soon.
Rest in peace. Rest in peace. That's right. Yeah.
Wolf was a great dude. It's funny. A lot of people ask me about him, and I always tell them if he really wasn't so tall, you probably wouldn't notice him. Wolf was like 7'1", so seeing him, you always think, oh, maybe he's like a menacing dude because he's so tall, but he was really quiet, and just to get to know him, he was a great person. So this was a good representation of him.
Recognize he's still here.